Denture adhesives can be sticky, but necessary. Thank God there's cushion grip. I don't have to deal with that anymore. This is going to reform my dentures to my gums to give me a custom fit so that I don't have to use sticky adhesives, scrape glue off my gums. I can eat the foods I like, and this is going to last for up to a week. So you don't have to reapply it. You put it on once, and then you just go on with your life, and it's great. Let me show you how I do it. I already had this soaking in some warm water. So we are going to just take a little bit up out of the tube. You want to make sure your hands are clean and dry for this. You want to roll it into a worm. Put it around the top of my denture. I don't need too much on the top. You can let it sit out for about 5 minutes, and before you insert it in your mouth, you can take a sip of water. Let's do the top. Firm pressure. The temperature from your mouth is going to warm this up, and it is going to start to mold to your gums. It is going to help reform your denture custom to your mouth. We're going to take just a little bit for the bottom. And if you need to add more later, you can always add more. Just wait 24 hours until it's fully cured, and you can always add more because it will stick to itself. You're going to place it in the bottom denture, and you're just going to push it around so that it fills in the gaps. There's no right or wrong amount. You just use whatever you feel that you need. And like I said, you can always add more later. Okay, it's going to look something like this, and I'm going to wait 5 minutes. All right, let's do the bottom. You want to bite down. You can even rest your hands on the table if you want and push up on your jaw. First night, what you can do when you want to clean them, clean the teeth, don't clean the liner. And what I do is take a damp paper towel, and then I will wrap them in that and put them in my denture cup overnight. Teeth down. You want to let the liner cure. You don't want to get that wet. Don't put in any cleansing tablets. After those first 24 hours or 48 hours, whatever you decide, some people like to sleep in theirs. I personally don't. I like to take mine out at night and give my mouth a break. But after those first 24 hours, you can soak them, brush them, clean them like you normally would, just like any other time. And then when you're ready to change it out, you just lift it up. You can soak it in some warm water if you need to, get some assistance to take it off. You peel it off, and you do it all over again.